Binance just launched their own Telegram bot airdrop about a week ago. But the question is this airdrop from Binance or someone just made it up just to gain attraction or to waste people's time? Well, I have done some personal due diligence on the project. I'll be sharing with you what I think and what I'll be doing concerning this airdrop. But the truth is, if this airdrop is from Binance, people will make a lot of money from this airdrop. On the Binance Telegram channel, I found some hints about this airdrop. So this could be Binance Telegram bot airdrop. You can also check the Binance Telegram channel to also see this information there. You will see everything that's said about this airdrop, which is called the Moonbix airdrop. But the challenge in participating in this airdrop is that not everyone has access to this airdrop. The airdrop is for few selected regions, but in this video I'm going to be showing you how to participate in this airdrop without facing any challenges whatsoever. If you like content like this, please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is John Bosco. Welcome to Deep Talks. This is the Telegram of Binance Moonbix box. So I'm going to be showing you how to participate in this airdrop. As you can see on top, over 3.8 million people have participated so far. But like I said, not everybody is accepted in this airdrop. If you click on play, you see some error message. You can actually see clearly saying web page not available. Now this is the message you'll be receiving if you are watching from some countries, let's say from Nigeria or any other region. I don't know that access was restricted, but there is a way to it. All you need to do is to go to Google Play Store or iOS Store and download this VPN. I'm currently on Google Play Store. I'll go to search and I type in VPN FY. Yeah, VPN IFY. Just click on it. I've already typed it before, but I have to delete it for the purpose of this video to show you guys how to do it step by step. So I'm clicking on install. I'm downloading the VPN right to my phone. So I'll come back to you once it's done. Okay, you can see it downloaded very fast. Once you're done downloading the VPN, just click on open. I'm accessing the VPN right away so that I can be able to access the bot. You can see allow notification. I don't want to allow. This is where you are meant to pay some money to buy the VPN, but I do not suggest this. Just click on continue with ads. Just know that you're going to be battling with a lot of ads. Then click on select server. Then you choose France. We are choosing France. Once you do that, you can see connect request. You click on OK. This is adverts, so just bear with the ads. You're going to be receiving lots of ads. So once you're done, the account is already connected. Like the VPN is already connected to my phone. Let me go back to the Binance Moonbix Telegram bot so I can access the airdrop. I'm back on the Binance Moonbix bot. So let me click on play to see if I can access the airdrop right now. As you can see, I'm in. If you don't download the VPN, you can't access it. As you can see, if you click on the link in the description, you actually start earning points. As you can see, I have accumulated 3,000 points. These are the attempts I've done so far. If you click on play, you start playing the games. You can see it's loading up. What this game is just for you to be picking these boxes, but if you pick the black box, you will lose some points. So let me click some bots. So let me click some box to see if I can pick something nice. You can't choose what you can pick. Just be clicking around. You can just pick something that makes sense. Let me click on this. You can see I've accumulated about 20 points. So if you pick the black box, you will lose some points. That's the way it works. Okay, and you can see the time. I'm 4 seconds away. I've actually accumulated 45 points. You can see right there, 45 points end. So you can actually share this link and invite your friends. It makes a lot of sense for you to invite your friends. But another thing I want to show you is the leadership board. If you come to the leadership board, you can actually see that about 6.6 million people are participating in this game. A lot of people all over the world. Then if you click on the task, you are meant to perform all these tasks, daily check-ins and, joining their Telegram and posting on your WhatsApp story, posting on your Telegram story, all of these things. But you can see this advanced, bind your Binance account. Please, I do not recommend this. As you can see, I did not do it. I can't connect my Binance account on this because I don't know who created this Moonbix bots. I don't know. So I have to be very careful. So if you are doing this at your own risk, be very careful. Do not try to bind your Binance account. In as much as you earn 10,000 points, it doesn't matter. You have to be very careful because anything can happen. So I'm very careful. I did not do this and I'm not expecting any of you guys to do it. So if you click on friends, this is where you see everybody you have actually invited. And if you click on Binance, you can actually see some information about Binance. Then if you go back to game and click on terms and condition, it will take you to a Binance. It will take you to a Binance website. As you can see, if you look on top, you will see Binance.com, which is the exact Binance domain name. If you look at it, there is this Binance Moonbix bot there, meaning that this could be the Binance Telegram bot airdrop. So I don't know. All I need to do is just to participate in it and at the same time be careful as well. And the same thing I'm actually telling you guys, you need to be careful. Don't forget, if you want to sign up, the link is in the description. All you need to do just to follow the process. If you're watching from anywhere that you have access restriction to join this airdrop, use the VPN that I showed you guys. Just go to Play Store or iOS Store and download it and start, taking advantage of this airdrop. So thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.